Hi guys! So, unwrap some free samples with me. So, let's start dito sa pinaka maliit guys. So guys, this is their niacinamide brightening ultralight serum isolation sunscreen with 50 PA+++++. So, ito siya guys. And this is their eye cream, yung pang eye bags guys. So, let's try to open. Oh, very nice. Tignan nyo guys. Ganyan siya. The twist. Smoothens fine lines and then fade dark circles. So, if meron kayong mga eye bags, ito yung gagamitin nyo, guys. Kuha na tayo, guys. Dalawa sila, guys, in one pack. So, ganito siya. These are moisturizers. So, each has different kinds of purpose. The blue one is the 5 times ceramide barrier repair moisturizer. So, this moisturize, repairs, and smoothens skin. So, let's try to open this one, guys. So, meron siyang spoon na kasama, guys. Ito, dito sa taas. When you open, guys, diba, sobrang laki pala niya. And ito siya. This is their anti-aging moisturizer. So, ito siya. Reduces wrinkles and improves elasticity. So, let's open. Wow! Gold siya, guys. Oh, diba? This is how it looks like. These are the products that I got from Papa Feel. So, thank you so much for sending me your products.